Okay, so let's try to solve this problem about our topic soil particle size classification. Now, based from this figure, the result of the sieve analysis is shown below. So we'll go to determine or to draw the particle size distribution curve. Next, what would be the percentage of the soil passing sieve number 4, and what would be the percentage of the soil retained in number 200 sieve. So as you can see guys, this one is our US sieve number composing of 4, 8, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, and we have here your pan. And converted into opening diameter, your sieve number 4 is 4.76 mm up to sieve number 200, which is 0.074. Actually, before, yung sieve number 200 natin is 0.075. So, konti lang naman yung difference. So again, based from this third column, we have here your mass retained. So, meron siya, na-weigh natin tong uh, mass natin for your soil particle sieve number 4 up to pan. So, like for example, yung weigh nung or yung mass nung soil particle mo, mass retain mo sa soil particle sieve number 4 mo, meron daw siyang 25 grams. So, actually, this mass retained of each sieve number, nakuha ito sa sample. So, example, ito yung sample natin. This is our soil sample. And then, isi-sieve natin siya. Okay? Sieve analysis. Ang gagamitin natin dito para malaman natin yung or kung ano yung magiging mass ng per sieve. So, through this sieve, ilalagay natin ngayon dito yung sample. And then after which, make it sure that your sample is oven-dried. Okay? Lagi niyong tandaan, dapat yung sample nyo is oven-dried. Kasi once na basa yung mismong lupa mo, mahihirapan ka ngayon mag-analyze ng particle size distribution curve natin through sieve analysis. Kasi kakapit yung lupa, hindi magiwaiwala yung mga soil particle natin. So make it sure that laging oven dried or dried lagi yung soil sample natin. Okay? So ngayon, after na yung sample natin dried na siya, ilalagay na natin mismo dito sa sieve natin, yung soil sample natin. And then, gagamit tayo ng sieve shaker, at least 5 minutes siguro, isi-sieve natin siya para malaman natin kung ano yung mga mass retains for each sieve. Okay? So ngayon, sa problem na to, in this problem guys, your mass retained for your sieve number 4 is 25. Ang ibig sabihin ng mass retain, yun yung mga soil sample na na-retain mismo sa sample sa sieve na to. And then yung passing naman, yun yung nag-pass through sa sample na to. So meaning to say, kung ito yung sieve natin, sieve natin yan, yan yung sieve mo, yung mga particle na nag-steady or nag-stay mismo or na-retain mismo dun sa sieve number mo, yun yung mass retain natin. And then merong later on magpa-pass through dyan na mga mas maliliit pa dito sa sieve na ito. Okay, for your sieve number 4, ang mass retained mo is 25 grams. So, kung ano yung na-retain mismo dito na soil particle or yung soil sample mo, i-weigh mo yan mismo sa weighing balance. So, i-weigh natin siya using this weighing balance. So, meron tayong weighing balance na gagamitin for our mga mass for each sieve. Yan, wait lang. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. I-weigh natin yung mga soil sample natin na na-retain for each sieve. O, yan, i-weigh mo siya. And then, for example, yung soil ko dito, soil ko dyan, kukunin ko ngayon dito sa sample, sa sieve na to, yung na-retain, i-weigh ko siya. Example, sieve number 4 ito. Ang mass daw ng sieve number 4 na na-retain is 25 grams. Okay? So, meron tayong 25 grams daw. Nung winay ko siya, ang mass ng soil sample natin is 25 grams. For your sieve number 8 naman, yung mass retained mo naman sa kanya, sa sieve number 8, ang mass na na-retain naman sa kanya is 80 grams. And then sa sieve number 10, ang mass na na-retain naman sa kanya is 110 grams. And then, ang sieve number 20 natin, we have 160. And for our sieve number 40, we have 180 grams retained, mass retained. For sieve number 60, 220 grams for mass retained. And for sieve number 80, 380 grams for mass retained. For sieve number 100, we have here your 590 mass retained in terms of grams. And sieve number 200, 110 grams. And lastly, for your pan, malalaman mo dito kung ano yung mass retained sa pan, yung mismo dun sa pan na ang weigh niya is 85 grams. So meaning to say, ang soil sample ko dito, nung dinistribute ko siya or inanalyze ko siya through sieve analysis, ito na yung mga nagiging distribution niya. Ito yung na-retain sa sieve number 4 hanggang sieve number 200. Okay, so next, we're going to solve this problem. For our next column, we have here your cumulative mass retained. Meron tayong cumulative mass retained. So again, how to solve this cumulative mass retained? So simply, kunin mo muna yan. Let's copy this 25. And then 25 plus 80. 25 plus 80 is 105. So 105 plus 110, 215. So 215 plus 160. This is around 375. And then 375 plus 180. 555. 555 plus 220, 775. And then 775 plus 380, 1,155. 1,155 plus 590, 1,745. And 1,745 plus 110, this is 1,855. And for your pan, plus 1,855, ang cumulative mass retained mo dito is 1,940. So, meaning to say, ang total ng soil sample natin, yung soil sample natin na inanalyze, ang total niya is 1,940. So, paano nakuha yun? Sinum up ko lang to. 25 plus 80 plus 110 plus 160 plus 180 plus 220 plus 380 plus 590 plus 110 plus 85. Total of 1,940 grams isocyate. Okay? So, yan yung magiging total natin. After knowing your cumulative mass retained for each sieve number, now let's proceed to your percent passing. So, this is now our for fifth column, percent passing. Or ito yung tatawag natin percent finder. So, dapat in terms of percent yung answer natin dito. So, for your sieve number 4, how to solve the percent passing for your sieve number 4? To solve the percent passing for sieve number 4, the formula would be equal to percent passing is simply equal to the total of mass or of your soil sample minus the cumulative mass retained of the sieve number of sieve divided by your total. So, meaning to say, kapag kukunin natin yung percent passing ng sieve number 4, okay, example lang, sieve number 4, percent passing, passing. Our total is equal to what? 1,940. 1,940 minus cumulative mass retained of the sieve. So, since sieve number 4 yan, ang cumulative mass retained of sieve number 4 is 25 minus 25 divided by the total mass of the soil sample, oven dried. Ulit ko, dapat dried lagi. 1,940. And then, ang sieve number 4% passing mo dito, sieve number 4% passing is equal to, may calculator, 1,940 minus 25 divided by 1,940. So, again, in terms of percent, so times 100%. So, this is around 98.71. So, ang percent passing ko dito is 98.71%. For our, ganyan naman, for our sieve number 8. For sieve number 8, sieve number 8% passing. Again, total minus your cumulative mass retained for the sieve or of sieve divided by your total. Okay, sieve number 8%, passing sieve number 8. What is our total again? 1,940 minus your cumulative mass retained of your sieve number 8. Si number 8 yung hinanap natin. Is equal to 105 divided by 1,940, the total mass of your soil sample, your oven dried soil sample. So, as we solve this problem, calculate natin 1,940 minus 105 divided by 1,940, which is equal to 94. So, times 100% ko siya, almost 94.59%. Ayan. So, pag percent passing number 10 naman, 1,940 minus cumulative mass retained of number 10, which is 215 minus 215 all over 1,940. So, back ko na lang. 250. This is 88.92. 88.92. So, proceed. For our sieve number 20, our mass retained is 375. So, 80.67. 80.67. For our sieve number 40. Sieve number 40, our cumulative mass retained for sieve number 40 is 555. 71.39. 71.39%. For our sieve number 60, 775. 60.05%. For our sieve number 80. Number 80 naman natin, ito yung 80 cumulative mass retained natin is 1155. 40.46. 40.46%. And then for our sieve number 100. For our sieve number 100, ang cumulative mass retained mo is 1745. 1745. 10.05%. And then for sieve number 200, 1855. This is 4.38%. And then for your pan, cumulative mass retained mo is 1940 minus the total 0, so this one is 0%. Okay, so yan na yan. So that is our solved problem in your percent passing through this sieve analysis test. So next, we will go into draw the particle size distribution curve using this output. So ito yung output natin. Based from this output, I said it before that your x ordinate would be your opening diameter. So ito yung magiging x ordinate natin. Ito yung x-axis natin. Okay, our x-axis, the particle diameter. And then your y-axis, your ordinate is percent passing. Your fifth column ito. Percent passing. This one is our y-axis. So again, you cannot draw the particle size distribution curve unless masolve mo muna dapat yung percent passing. So since our opening diameter are given and the percent passing is already computed, we will now going to draw the curve. Let's start. So start tayo ngayon sa sieve number 4. Your sieve number 4 in terms of mm is 4.76. 4.76. Again guys ang gap lang ito is every 1. So this is 1. This now your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pag mag-start naman tayo dito sa 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 1. Pag dito naman, ang gap lang nila 1. 0.01, interval nila is 1. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, and then 0.1. Ganun din dito. 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, 0.004, 0.005, 0.006, 0.007, 0.008, 0.009, and 0.01. Okay. So now proceed to do the curve. So your sieve number 4, your opening is 4.76, which is your x-axis. Saan ang 4.76 natin dito? Let's assume this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Sabihin natin nandito. 4.76 mo. And then your percent passing is 98.71. So ang interval naman nila is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So since that is 98.71, so nandito mostly 98.71. Cut ko dito. Cut mo dyan. So sabihin natin nandito yung unang point natin. The next 2.38 and 94.59. 1, 2, 2.5, then mga dito. Let's say dito lang siya. So it's 2.38 and then 94.59. 95. 2.30. Okay, sabihin natin ito. The next 2.0, 88.92. 1, then 2, 2.0, and then 88.92. Sabihin natin dito. Next 0.84 and then 80.67. 0.84, so bilang tayo dito. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 sa kalahati ng 0.8. In between 0.8 and 0.9 is 0.85. So, sabihin natin dito. And then, your y percent, your percent passing ako sana, 80.67. 80.67. So, dito. Yan, 80.67. The next, 0.42. 71.39. 2, 3, 4. 71.39. 4. Yeah. And then next, 0.25, 60. 0.25, 60.05. So, 1, 2, 0.3, in between 0.2 and 0.3 is 0.25. So, dito, ang percent passing mo along y-axis 60.05. So, let's say this one. Yan. The next, 0.18 and 40.46. 0.2, 0.15, sabi namin dito. 0.18 to, and then 40.46. Yeah. Let's say this one. The next, your 0.149. So, sabihin mo, 1.2 in between 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.15. Or that is 0.149. Pares lang yan. So, ang percent passing natin is 10. So, andito siya. Then, 0.05. And then yung 0.074, 0.01, 0.02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In between 0.07 and 0.08 is 0.075. So, dito, 4.38. So, let's say this one. Ito na. And then, we're going now to draw the curve. So, pag-draw lang ng curve dito, pag ganyan. Okay. Yeah. So, this is now the curve of your problem number 1. So, in our problem number 2, we will now identify or to classify the soil in using USCS and AASHTO. So, at least kahit paano, naintindihan natin how to draw or how to plot the opening diameter and the percent passing using this curve. Okay? So, sagutin natin yung tanong. Sabi niya, the result of the sieve analysis is shown below. So, yung result kanina. First question, draw the particle size distribution curve. So, we drawing na natin. And then letter B, what percentage of the soil passing in number 4 sieve? So, tingnan mo lang, ano daw yung percentage passing sa sieve number 4. So, simply, ang sagot is this one. Ito yung sieve number 4 mo. Ang percent passing niya is 98.71. So, this one is your answer for letter B. And for letter C, what percentage of the soil retained in number 200 sieve? Okay, retained siya, hindi siya passing. So, soil retained. How to solve the percentage of the soil retained in number 200? So, to solve the percentage retained for your sieve number 200, this one would be your solution. Percent retained in number 200 sieve is simply equal to 100% minus 4.38%. So your answer must be equal to 95.62%. So this one is our answer. So, paano nangyari yun? Sa sieve number 200 mo kasi, your percent passing is 4.38. Percent passing yan. So, saan yung na-retain? Yung sa taas. So, paano mo malalaman yung percent retained? Siyempre, all you need to do is this one, a total of 100% minus percent passing for your sieve number 200, 4.38. Yun na yung magiging percent retained in number 200 sieve. So, ang sagot is not 4.38, rather, ang sagot is 95.62 kasi percent retain siya. Ano yung mga na-retain sa taas ng sieve number 200? Okay, that is for example number 1. Next, let's proceed to your sample number 2 using USCS and AASHTO.